Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to split or trim a video on TikTok Editing Studio in 2025. So if you recently joined TikTok and you want to edit some videos in that app, then let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you're going to first go to your app store. You want to search for TikTok and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Now, once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, to post a video, go ahead and tap on the plus sign. Now from here, go ahead and select a video. So we'll choose a 20-second video, tap on next. Now to edit this in the TikTok Studio, go ahead and tap on this edit button here, just below settings. This will now take you into TikTok's editing screen. So now to trim or to split this video, go ahead and swipe left on the timeline, select your video. Once you select it, at the bottom left, you see something called split. Tap on it. And wherever your white line is, this is where it will split. So we'll go ahead and undo this. So we can go ahead and move the line anywhere you like. Tap on the video clip and then tap on split. Now again, I'll split. And now from one clip, I've created 3 different clips. Now, if you want to trim a video clip in TikTok Editing Studio, and now select your edge on the right hand side or the left hand side and go ahead and drag it to the left or to the right. So that way you can trim the ending. Selecting the beginning, you can trim the beginning. So there you go, guys. That is how to split or trim a video on the TikTok Editing Studio in 2025. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.